G'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. Jack and I have put the body back on, which is another monumental achievement. Pretty happy about that, that's good. But there's a few things we need to do. So today is the 20th here in Australia and we need to announce the winner of the resistor. And the winner is?
Trent Mend.
Trent Mend, congratulations. Trent actually wrote this. Now there was some fantastic comments out there and I couldn't pick it. So I got my wife to pick it, and this is what she picked you, Trent. So Trent wrote this: I need the resistor because mine is cracked. I've just finished school last year and brought an absolute wreck of a 1983 FJ47. And being as young as I am, my budget is very slim. I'm restoring my car back to original. I've spent the last 2 weeks completely rewiring the whole wiring harness, keeping all the colours original. The only thing that is missing is the fan resistor, and I'd really appreciate your help. Well, help's coming your way, buddy, so we're going to send that out to you. And if you just want to contact me on my Instagram page, and we'll go from there. Good on you, buddy. Righto, need to give another big shout out to Simon. Simon has sent me some of your kick vent seals, so that's fantastic. Really appreciate that, Simon. Now Simon has a little shop that he sells all parts that you need to restore your FJ40, FJ45, your HJ47s, all that type of stuff. If you need parts, just go have a chat with Simon. He has an eBay page where he has all his stuff listed there, and he also has a Facebook page with some of the stuff that he's doing with the stuff for sale there. So links down the bottom. Check him out. If you need parts, Simon will hook you up. Alright, let's get into the video and we'll show you what we've done. I've got a bit to learn about this 40. Right, I've been doing a fair bit of work here just in the background, just working out how the extractors are going to fit up. There needs to be a bit of work down here. Actually sits a bit too close. I'm going to make up some pieces to S around that so we can make up and manufacture the exhaust. So we're just sitting things on place now to see where everything goes. The rubber around the alternator was totally perished and destroyed, so we made up a new rubber. So we can mount that, just an insulator rubber. Been mounting up new brake lines and just a quick general cleanup. So we're trying to work out where other brake lines go. So we're just working through all this stuff in the background. So that's a little quick update. Right, so I'm just tapping all the holes out on the chassis. It's not very exciting stuff. Our Driveline on, our bolts, put some thread locker on it. You may have remembered from the earlier episode that when I went to undo these, they were basically finger loose. Well, I suppose it's consistent with the motor mounts. Eh? That's it, tighter. Do them up.
I can't help them.
That's it, go real tight. Tighter, tighter, tighter. Good job. Push go. Good job. So I've just cleaned up this earth wire. We've cleaned up inside the thread. So what we're going to do is once we bolt this back on, this earth wire, just got the multimeter, put it on tone. Then we can check the earth. As we connect earth wires up to between the motor and the chassis and the battery throughout this process, we can continue to make sure that they've got a good strong earth as we build this. I don't want to have weak earths from the very beginning and then start chasing it later on. check different points of the chassis. I'm pretty happy with that earth. We'll just continue to do that as we connect the electrics up, just to make sure we've got a solid flow of electricity. Right, we've come to that time. Hopefully we're going to try and put the body back onto the chassis. I've got a full body mount kit and I've laid it all out, worked out exactly where all the bits and pieces go. It's good, comes with zone instructions, it's all numbered, it's fairly simple to follow, so hopefully it won't stuff it up. Right, for the first body mount, just goes up under on this crossbar, so we'll chuck that up, and then hopefully I'll get the family to come and lift on the body under the chassis. See if we can get them involved. Righto, so the clips they come with are just too small. It's going to fall out. Right, so they're the little clips they come with. They're like your little Christmas tree clips, but they're way too small. They're no good. So we're actually going to use the original clips. They will be awesome. So we'll just push that in. Sits in there just like that. Then we'll be able to put that
Where's your phone?
There we go. That'll never come out.
Yeah.
Cool. You figured the rest out?
Thanks, wife.
No worries.
All right, Jack. Thanks, daughter. That's my beautiful wife. All right, Jack. Let's put the body mounts on this and bolt it down. According to our body mount plan, we've just sort of laid them all out where they've got to go. And now we'll start to bolt them down. Just sliding these body mounts up. Just using a pin punch to line all the holes up. Right, chuck it up under there. Line the hole up, just give it a bit of a lift. Oops. Just slide it in. Yeah. Lift. Not really, because this one's bolted down too much, I think. Yeah, that way.
Ready? Yep. No, it's almost there. I can see it. Okay, could you lift it? Yeah. Nah, I need to lift it. Yep. Got it.
Yep, good job.
Oh no, I've got it. Never mind.
I'm excited to have this body mounted on here, but I have to do some extra clamping and stuff just to stop it spinning. What's happening is the top plate is spinning before I even get to compress the rubbers at all, so I can spin those rubbers by hand. Anyway, this is the last one, so once I'm done with this one, it's on and it won't need to come off for a very long time, hopefully. Righto, so I'm just doing them up as per the instructions, which tell me to do it up so it just starts to bulge and then back it off. It's just disappointing that you gotta muck around and put all these extra clamps and stuff on just to get it to hold. Anyway, it's on. Righto, so the extractors are ready to go on. We're just waiting on some flanges and some bits and pieces so we can make that offset, just so it can clear the gearbox cross member. So now we're ready to put the gaskets on, we can put the bolts on, we can bolt it all up and move on to body work. Alright, thanks for watching. Really appreciate your support. So we've got the body on now. That was a bit tricky, trying to get up in tight little spots. Lucky Jack was here to give me a good hand with that. So that was only a very quick video of how to get the body on. Our next step is we're going to look at doing some body work, which I've got no idea how to do. Have you, Jack?
Oh, I don't know.
So we watched some YouTube videos and we'll give it a go. So we'll see what happens. And we're going to practice on some smaller panels and see how they come up, and then we'll move on to the main body here. So body work might take a bit of time before you see the next video. Well, we'll see what happens. Anyway guys, really appreciate your support. Thanks for that. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, feel free to leave a comment and check out my Instagram page. Thanks guys.
Thanks for watching.